With its ability to understand and communicate like human, GPT-4o is making AI more accessible and approachable than ever before. Hello, welcome to AI 50. In this video, you'll learn about GPT-4o, the revolutionary AI assistant that engages in natural voice conversations. Developed by OpenAI, this ChatGPT-4o system stands and generates human-like responses, transforming how we interact with AI. Well, experience the future of AI companionship with GPT-4o. Well, first of all, what is GPT-4o? GPT-4o, also known as ChatGPT-4o, it's like a super-powered AI assistant that can understand and communicate with you just like a human would. It's a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence because it can process and generate human-like text, audio, and even images, all within a single system. Developed by OpenAI, GPT-4o pushes the boundaries of what's possible with language models and chatbots. But what really sets GPT-4o apart is its ability to have real-time voice conversations. Imagine talking to your computer or phone like you would with a friend, asking questions, getting advice, or even just chatting about your day. Well, GPT-4o makes that possible, and it does it in a way that feels natural and seamless. Well, think of your GPT-4o as your personal AI companion, always ready to help you out whenever you need it. Whether you need to find information quickly, get help with a task, or even learn something new, GPT-4o is there to assist you. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Well, just talk to it like you would to any other person and let GPT-4o work its magic. So now that you know what GPT-4o is, let's dive into how it actually works under the hood. At the heart of GPT-4o is its ability to process and understand multiple types of input, what we call multimodal input processing. In simple terms, this means that GPT-4o can take in information from different sources, like text, audio, and images, and make sense of it all. It's like having a brain that can read, listen, and see all at the same time. When it comes to voice conversations, GPT-4o really shines. It uses advanced speech recognition technology to listen to your voice and understand what you're saying. But it doesn't just stop there. GPT-4o can then generate a response back to you in real time, using its own human-like voice. And here's the really cool part. It does this with incredibly low latency, which means there's practically no delay between you or between when you speak and when the GPT-4o responds. It's like having a conversation with a real person, but with the added bonus of GPT-4o's vast knowledge and capabilities.
Hey, ChatGPT, I'm Mark. How are you?
Oh, Mark. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Hey, so I'm on stage right now. I'm doing a live demo, and frankly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Can you help me calm my nerves a little bit?
Oh, you're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome. Just take a deep breath. And remember, you're the expert here.
I like that suggestion. Let me try a couple deep breaths. Can you give me feedback on my breaths? Okay, here I go.
Whoa, slow down a bit there. Mark, you're not a vacuum cleaner. Breathe in for a count of 4.
How does GPT-4o come up with these responses? Well, the secret lies in its advanced language, understanding, and generation abilities. You see, GPT-4o has been trained on massive amount of data. We're talking books, articles, websites, and much more. This exposure to such a wide range of information allows GPT-4o to understand the intricacies of human language, like context, tone, and even emotions. So when you ask GPT-4o a question or give it a prompt, it doesn't just look at your words in isolation. Instead, it considers the entire context of your conversation. It uses language understanding to generate a response that is not only relevant to what you said, but also sounds natural and human-like. It's like having a conversation with a super smart, well-read friend who always knows exactly what to say. And the more you interact with GPT-4o, the better it gets at understanding and communicating with you. It's constantly learning from every conversation, picking up on your unique way of speaking and adapting to your needs and preferences. So the more you chat with GPT-4o, the more personalized and helpful it becomes. It's like having an AI assistant that's tailored just for you. So let's talk about the key benefits of GPT-4o's voice abilities. Now, this is a big deal. Imagine this. Instead of fumbling with tiny buttons on your phone or squinting at a screen, you can simply talk to your device like you would to a friend. Well, that's the magic of GPT-4o. It makes interacting with technology feels much more natural and easy. Well, think about it. When you're cooking dinner, you need to set a timer. You don't want to stop what you're doing. Wash your hands and fiddle with your phone. With GPT-4o, you can just say, hey, set a timer for 10 minutes, and boom, it's done. This is especially a game-changing for older folks who might not be as tech-savvy or have difficulty with small screens and buttons. GPT-4o's ability to understand and respond to voice commands make it an incredibly valuable tool for the elderly, who can benefit from AI assistance without having to navigate complex interfaces. But GPT-4o isn't just a glorified timer. It's like having a super smart, always available assistant. So let's say you're trying to remember the name of that movie you watched last week, but it's on the tip of your tongue. Just ask GPT-4o, what was that movie with Tom Hanks where he was stranded on an island? And it'll dive into its huge knowledge base to find the answer for you. No more racking your brain or spending hours Googling it. And here's where GPT-4o really shines. It doesn't just spit out pre-programmed responses. It actually understands the context of your conversation and uses that to give you the most helpful and relevant information. So if you're chatting with GPT-4o about an upcoming trip to Europe, and you mention that you're worried about the language barrier, it might suggest some helpful translation apps or even offer to teach you some basic phrases. It's like having a conversation with a real knowledgeable and intuitive friend. But GPT-4o isn't just a personal assistant. It has the potential to revolutionize entire industry. Take healthcare. Imagine if you could describe your symptoms to a virtual nurse powered by GPT-4o. And it could provide personalized recommendations or even connect you with a doctor. AI in healthcare is a rapidly growing field, and GPT-4o's advanced language understanding and generation capabilities could be a game changer in this area. Now, think about how GPT-4o could transform the lives of older adults who may be isolated or have mobility issues. Well, with GPT-4o, they could have a friendly voice to chat with, remind them to take their medications, and even alert loved ones if there is an emergency. AI for the elderly has the potential to greatly improve quality of life and provide much needed support and companionship. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are endless. GPT-4o could be a game changer in customer service, education, therapy, and much more. It's not just making our lives more convenient. It's about making technology more human and accessible to everyone. So what does all of this mean for the future of how we interact with AI? Well, buckle up, because we're in for a long ride. Well, for starters, GPT-4o is breaking down the barriers between humans and machines. No longer do you need to be a tech whiz to reap the benefits of AI. With GPT-4o, everyone can have a friendly, helpful AI companion at their fingertips.
ChatGPT, what equation did I write down there?
Ah, I see it now. You wrote down 3x plus 1 equals 4.
Yep, exactly. So what's the first step I should take to try to solve this?
The first step is to get all the terms with x on one side and the constants on the other side. So what do you think we should do with that plus 1?
Okay, I'm going to try to subtract 1 from both sides, and then I'll see what I get.
Great idea. Perfect. Now, what do you get when you subtract 1 from both sides?
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
Spot on. Now you've isolated the term with x on one side, and it looks like 3x equal 3.
Well, this is huge because it means that AI is becoming more accessible and less intimidating to the average person. Imagine a world where every home has a GPT-4o powered virtual assistant that can help with everything from scheduling appointments to providing emotional support. Or picture a workplace where AI-powered tools powered by GPT-4o make your job easier and more efficient, freeing up your time for more meaningful tasks. The possibilities are endless, and GPT-4o is paving the way for a future where AI is seamlessly integrated into your daily lives. But GPT-4o isn't just about making our lives easier. It's also about making AI more empathetic and emotionally intelligent. With its advanced language understanding and generation capabilities, GPT-4o can pick up on the nuances of human emotion and respond in a way that feels genuine and compassionate. Well, imagine pouring your heart out to a virtual therapist powered by GPT-4o and feeling truly heard and understood. Or picture an AI companion that can sense that you're feeling down and offer just the right words of encouragement. Well, as AI tools like GPT-4o become more sophisticated, they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, especially for older adults. Imagine a future where elderly individuals can have engaging conversations with AI chatbots, receive personalized health advice, and even get help with daily tasks like setting reminders or ordering groceries. The possibilities are truly exciting. As GPT-4o and other AI models become more advanced, we'll need to be more thoughtful about how we develop and use these technologies. We need to address important issues like bias, privacy, and the ethical implications of AI-human interaction. But if we do it right, GPT-4o could be a powerful tool for good, helping us to create a future where technology brings us closer together rather than pulling us apart. So we've covered a lot of ground today, from exploring what GPT-4o is and how it works, to diving into the incredible benefits and potential impact of this technology. It's clear that we're on a brink of a voice AI revolution. But before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to really drive home why GPT-4o is such a big deal. Imagine a world where technology is no longer a barrier, but a bridge, a way to connect with others, access information, and make our lives easier and more fulfilling. Well, that's the promise of GPT-4o. With its ability to understand and communicate like human, GPT-4o is making AI more accessible and approachable than ever before. No longer do you need to be a tech expert to benefit from this technology. With GPT-4o, everyone can have a friendly, knowledgeable AI companion at their fingertips. And the potential applications are endless, from virtual assistants that can help with daily tasks and provide emotional support to AI-powered tools that can revolutionize industries like healthcare, education, customer service. GPT-4o is opening up a world of possibilities. And for the elderly, GPT-4o and other AI chatbots like ChatGPT-4o could be particularly life-changing. Imagine a future where older adults can engage in stimulating conversation, receive personalized healthcare advice, and get help with daily tasks, all through the power of AI. It's a future where no one has to feel alone or isolated, regardless of age or ability. By understanding the nuances of human language and emotion, GPT-4o can provide support, encouragement, and connection in ways that were once thought impossible. Imagine a future where AI is not just a tool, but a true companion, one that listens, understands, and helps us navigate life's challenges. Of course, as with any powerful technology, there are challenges and responsibilities that come with GPT-4o. We need to be thoughtful about issues like bias, privacy, and ethical implications of AI-human interaction. But I believe that if we approach this technology with care and intention, the benefits will far out the risk. So what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the future of voice AI with ChatGPT-4o? I know I am, but I want to hear from you. How do you think this technology will shape our lives in the years to come? What are you most excited about? And what concerns do you have? So let's keep this conversation going. Put your comments below, share your thoughts, ask questions, and let's explore the incredible potential of GPT-4o together. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest developments in voice AI and other cutting-edge technologies, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts. Together, we can help shape a future where technology brings us closer together, makes our lives easier, and helps us achieve our full potential. So let's get started. The future of voice AI is just a beginning, and I can't wait to see where it takes us. Embrace the future of voice AI with GPT-4o. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated on the latest developments in artificial intelligence and join the conversation in the comments below. Together, let's explore the incredible potential of GPT-4o.